we will learn how to diagnose thoracic and lumbar somatic dysfunctions. For upper thoracic region example, we will pick T3. First, find T3 transverse processes and determine the static position. Once you determine a static position, you can switch from two-hand position to one-hand position. Induce side bending at T3 by long lever method utilizing cervical side bending. Your monitoring fingers should be perceiving T3 motion. Induce rotation at T3 by rotating the cervical spine. Your monitoring fingers should assess the preferred motion of T3. Do not get distracted by the right hand motion. Flex and extend the cervical spine and see if the asymmetry improves with flexion or extension. Now for this example, T3 is neutral, side bend right, rotated left. T3 rotation is preferred towards the left, while side bending is preferred towards the right. There is no improvement of asymmetry with flexion and extension. For mid-thoracic region, we're going to try to practice at T8. First, locate T8 transverse process at the level of T7. Now, once you found the T8 transverse processes, try to see if you can assess the static position. Switch from two hands to one hand position. Induce side bending at T8 by long lever method utilizing thoracic side bending. Side bending is created by motion gently pushing on the patient's shoulders. Induce rotation at T8 by rotating the thoracic spine. Your palpating hand should determine the ease of motion at T8. Flex your patient's thoracic spine to T8 region. Your palpating hand should determine if the asymmetry improves with flexion. Extend the spine to T8 and assess for symmetry. Does T8 transverse process asymmetry improve or get worse? For the lumbar spine, we're going to practice diagnosing the L4. First, find the L4 by locating the iliac crest. Once you found it, switch from two-hand position to one-hand position. Induce side bending at L4 by long lever method utilizing lumbar side bending. You see that Dr. Williams here is side bending enough to reach the lumbar spine. Induce rotation at L4 by rotating the lumbar spine. Your palpating hand should determine if the L4 prefers rotation towards right or left. Flex the spine at L4 region. Determine if flexion of the spine makes the asymmetry improve or extension of the spine makes the asymmetry improve.